Live from Xenia, Ohio, it's Dayton Hamvention. Second stop on the second annual HamShackTV HamFest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Stick around. Back here at Dayton Hamvention, I saw this booth yesterday. These are Whistler scanners, and I haven't heard of these before, but they are quite interesting. They've got the trunking system and two different models.
We got a container in Cincinnati.
Fiberglass because it's got this thing on it, the carbon fiber ones. They got what are those for? 113 on my website, 65 today. I don't need to give anyone that extra. That's why it's so special. So,
If you're into scanners, check out the Whistler.